What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. It's time to do some cleaning. Well, if you tuned into my channel, you saw that I got a Pumice toilet bowl scrubber, and I was actually so impressed with it. I really wanted to just kind of check out what Pumice was, which is kind of like this really soft stone, and so it's good for kind of really scraping. You know, it's kind of like a magic eraser on steroids. But I was really impressed with the kind of the material and everything, and yet I really didn't have like an application for it except for some outdoor work. Now, I actually have some calcium, some scale buildup on one of my sink faucets, and I thought, hey, I've tried scrubbing with like a toothbrush before and things like that, and it's never come off, and I thought, well, maybe the pumice stuff will work on this. So I ordered this. Now, this is for filing nails. I don't know. Kind of shaping nails, maybe kind of filing down the top. They are little pumice sticks, which look like little spikes. And I thought, well, the size of this might be nice for kind of getting into that faucet. So I thought we would try that out. Now, I will say they have a little weight to them, but again, they kind of feel like less dense than stone, and they have kind of a grittiness to them, so like sandpaper, as you can see there. I could definitely use this. You could probably use it to file down the top of it too. They definitely feel a little bit like those nail files, but again, the whole thing is basically the filing material, and you can see we have a flat edge here, which I think will be nice. So as I kind of get into that faucet, I'll show you where that scale and calcium is built up and see if this works at getting it out. Let's try it. All right, so here I'm at this faucet, and you can see here what I'm talking about, the scale that's built up over time. And I've tried to scrape this off, like I said, with a hard bristle toothbrush, and to no avail. So I'm going to just try this pumice. Basically, the first thing you want to do is get the sucker wet. You don't want to use it dry. And in fact, I might even let the water run here as I'm kind of testing it, just to kind of lube up the surface a little bit. But looks, you know, I like the sharp edge on it because then I can kind of focus the scrubbing where I see that, I think it's calcium buildup, but that calcium buildup in that scale, and without applying a ton of pressure to it, because that always kind of freaks me out a little bit. But I'll tell you what, man, that seems to be removing stuff, so I'm pretty impressed with that. Obviously, I can kind of roll it over. You can see how that edge is wearing down on that one side. So then I can kind of roll it over and use the other edge. Now, I will say that it seems to wear down pretty quickly, which I think is the point, so that you know that the stone is taking the wear and the abuse and not any of the really hard metal. And so you may have to kind of switch to another stone, but wow, I'm pretty impressed with this. And I don't seem to be seeing any type of indication that the metal itself is taking any abuse. So you're seeing this live, I mean real time here. So I'm just going to shut this off, and I just want you to take a look. On this side I didn't do anything, but because that calcium buildup is now wet, it's kind of a little darker. But on this side, pretty impressive. Obviously I can spend some more time on this and get it done just right, but so far this little pumice stone for fingernails is doing the job. I'm impressed with it. Really cheap too. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda. Out.